Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming it's really the headphone, not the source. Check left/right balance and test wired versus Bluetooth. Once done, reset the Solo 4 by holding power for 10 seconds and repair. Make sure the battery is fully charged and update firmware in the Beats or Apple app so software glitches don't mask hardware faults. After these checks, make sure you have a clean workspace, small Torx or Phillips screwdriver, plastic pry tool, and fine soldering iron ready before proceeding to the internal repair. You'll now open the non-working cup and inspect the internals carefully. Remove the ear cup foam, unscrew the hidden screws, and gently pry the shell. Once open, locate the speaker driver, ribbon cable, and small connector. Look for disconnected wires, corroded contacts, or a cold solder joint. These are the usual culprits. Use a multimeter to test continuity along the speaker leads. If you find an open connection or intermittent reading, that explains why one side died and tells you where to resolder or splice. You'll fix the fault by reflowing or redoing the solder joint with flux and a small tip iron. If a wire is torn, splice with thin 30 AWG stranded wire and insulate with heat shrink. Once the repair is made, reconnect the driver, power on, and test audio before snapping the housing closed. Make sure screws are snug but not over-tightened. If it remains dead, replace the driver module or consult a repair shop. Tip: if intermittent, temporarily hold the joint under slight pressure while testing to confirm the exact fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.